y'all. So I'm about to show you guys how to achieve this bone straight look. I know you probably want to know what hair this is. This is my brand. This is Pacey Hair. I am proud to say that this is my brand of hair. I am doing a tutorial on how to get your hair bone straight with my wig. Okay, thank you to all the people that have purchased my hair. I appreciate you guys so much. I have been so inactive on my little hair page account, but I'm gonna be really active this year because I need to promote my brand and promote myself. So I'm tired of promoting other people's brand all the time. Okay, so y'all either gonna support me or support me. But let's get into the tutorial. My hair looks crazy. I'm gonna start filming in my bathroom more because the lighting in here is like 10 times better than my room light. But anyways, so this is how my hair looks like right now. So I know y'all might want to know. Okay, you probably don't want to know yet until we fix this hair, but this is the hair from my company. I need to advertise more. Also, if you want to be a brand ambassador for me, make sure you DM me. I'm gonna put my Instagram on the screen. I'm gonna be needing some influencers. You need to have at least 20,000 followers on Instagram, YouTube, whatever you have, like 20,000, and I'm gonna be making custom made wigs and sending it for free. I just need you guys to do a review, or you know, let me know if you're interested. I'm gonna put my email as well. Everything's gonna be in the description box, and Instagram will be on the screen because I need my hair stuff to go viral and I need my business to flourish. You know, this year I'm not gonna be doing as much reviews like I used to do. But anyway, so this is how my hair from my brand Pacey Hair looks like when you don't brush it, you don't comb it, you don't do nothing. You literally just take it out of a like 4-day bun. So the brush that I use, it has hair on it, but I use a roll brush. So today I'm about to show you guys how I straighten my hair, and why not show you guys how I do it with my brand, right? You gotta self-promote in 2021. So I've been gone for a while, you know, because I've been in my little moods here and there, and then also I've been just trying to plan what I've been trying to get accomplished this year. Number one thing that I want to do this year is definitely, like, you know, build my brand more, sell out on all my products, and you know, just go crazy. So yeah, typically brush my hair out, and then we're gonna separate the hair in half. This is how I like to do it. If you do your hair differently, then you know, you could start off with the front part first. It's just the method that you really need to follow. As long as you get the method that I'm doing correct, your straight hair will always look good. This works on wigs, natural hair, weaves, anything, honestly. So I'm gonna just tie this up into like another bun. I'm probably gonna have to brush that out again. And then now that it's brushed out, so I use 2 products when I'm straightening my hair. I use, well, 2 tools. I use a hot comb, and I just bought a new one because this is so old, but I use a hot comb. If you guys know what I can place my hot comb on, because my top of my sink is like burnt. So I use Remington for my hair tool. And yeah, so basically what I do, I used to use a rat tail comb, but it melts off. So I put my hair straightener on 455 degrees, and then I go and grab a piece, and then I get a roll brush. You need a roll brush. Do not use a rat tail tooth comb. I used to do that. I used to melt my combs. Get a roll brush that is like this and it's firm. The firmer, the better. And then what I'm gonna do is start from the top, and then as I'm going down and I'm sliding my hair straightener down, I'm rolling the brush as I go down. And you just keep doing that. You stop here, and then you go back up to grab the hair before you drop it down, and you continue. Like, you're gonna just pass through it. If it's your natural hair, do not pass through it more than once because you're gonna damage your hair. But if you have a wig or weave, I would say pass through it like 3 or 4 times, honestly. And just make sure the hair, I love this hair straightener so much. I've had it for years and it's like so amazing. And look at that. You see that? Can y'all see that? So I'm grabbing big chunks of hair because the hair straightener is big enough to pass through, and I'm going back again. So as you can see, rolling, and then I don't, like, before I roll the end, I go up and catch it so I know which piece I need to go over again. Continue the same thing. Go back up, grab, and roll. Roll. It's all in the technique. That's what's gonna give you bone straight hair. And as you can see, perfection. And then I'm just gonna go through and just get my hair straightener through it all. This is why it's so good to have nice wigs. You can literally run your hair straightener through it over and over again and it will not mess your hair up. So a few things about my hair. It is extremely good hair, okay? I want to say I've been wearing this hair for like a good 8 months now, on and off. So I'll take it off, put it back on, take it off, put it back on. I literally love this wig. I'm so obsessed. This is, I used 3 bundles and a frontal. The frontal that I'm wearing is transparent lace, but you know, Swiss lace is fine too. Swiss lace looks the exact same. When I announced my wig business, I actually was wearing, was it Swiss lace? No, that was transparent too. I just love transparent lace. But yeah guys, you gotta just keep running your flat iron through it and then chase after. That's literally as simple as it gets. So I just want y'all to see the lace. Okay. When you purchase from my company, I will, like when you buy custom made wigs, I will bleach the knots for you. I will pluck the wig, and I will also, like how you see it styled on the mannequin is how you will receive it. So basically, if it's straight, I will straighten it bone straight for you. So that way when you receive it, you don't have to do too much work to style it and everything. If I have layers and I curled it, like there's a video on YouTube that I made where it's how to curl hair with a hair straightener. I'm gonna curl it for you and I'm gonna add the layers and everything so that way you get the exact product that you see. So I'm not trying to dupe y'all or nothing. I just want y'all to look amazing and look beautiful and be confident and just have some good hair. If you like this hair, it is on my website, like I said, and I am looking for ambassadors. It's the okra for me. But yeah, it's literally so simple. Like, look at this. But you're gonna see in the end the final results. Also follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna start doing some little mini hair tutorials on there. All my social medias are the same. PaceyXO, PaceyXO, PaceyXO. So we are done with this side basically, and this is how it looks. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Only product that you saw me put was the Tresemme. So freaking amazing. I get so many compliments with this particular wig. I'm always getting questions, where did you get your wig from? And then I tell them, oh, it's on my website. And they're like, oh my God, it's too expensive. So, I don't know. It's like I pay a lot of money to buy the product and buy good product at that, because I don't want to just spend money on cheap, like, quality hair that's not gonna last y'all, and then y'all not gonna be happy. So when I price these wigs, it's in a way where, you know, basically you get what you pay for. If you buy expensive hair, your hair is gonna probably be good quality. If you buy cheap hair, then the cheap hair won't be that good. So far, this is how it looks. So I'm about, can't see it, but y'all just saw it. I'm about to do the top half now. What I'm gonna do is just move all this to the back so I can do the rest of the hair, split it in the middle like this. And then just brush it a little bit because I just untied it again. So you don't have to reapply product. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna tie this side up because I don't want it to mix in with what's already done. For the front, very simple. Grab a piece on the very front, brush through, and then do the chase method. Take the hair straightener, go through, and follow with the brush. Bone straight every time. Go through and slowly. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Starting up and then go down. The one thing I really love about this hair straightener is it is so like wide. That way I can get more like larger pieces of hair. I don't like small hair straighteners when it comes to like doing long weaves and wigs because it just doesn't get everything the way I need it done. Just gonna take the straightener, pass it through. Bust it, is you. So now we about to do this side. My camera is about to die, the battery's about to die. So hopefully, you know, it's gonna keep going. We just have a little bit of hair left, so I'm hoping it'll catch all of this. But yeah, even the left side, I take the hair straightener up first and then I roll the brush underneath. And then as I reach towards the end, I take the brush up quickly. And then I still take the, you know, the flat iron all the way through. Then I go back up and then roll the brush again. And this literally, I'm telling y'all, please try it. If you do try it and you have great results, let me know in the comment section below. Please comment and let me know if this method works for you. I'm gonna explain it again one more time. Brush through a strand of hair, get your hair straightener, put the hair straightener first, drag your brush, roll it, like literally roll it as you're dragging and chase after it. Take your brush up with your hair straightener on the end, roll and then, and you know, swipe it down, or you know, straighten it, go through it. I don't know the correct term. And then just keep doing that and pass through it at least 4 to 5 times, 3 to 5 times. Just don't just do it once though. Just, you gotta keep going in and out, in and out. And then now we're gonna do the last piece. This is a huge chunk, so we might need to do 5 passes on this one. Same thing. But yeah, there we go. And yeah, so since you're doing your own hair by yourself, obviously you're straightening your own hair right now, I would think, right? You gotta make sure that the back, because you know the back be having bumps, you gotta just go back, grab a piece, and just make sure you pass it through the back, because we don't know, you can't really see the back, but I like to just do this just to make sure everything is straight. Go back, pass it through. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I layered my hair. My hair, like when it was straight, it wasn't like this, but I layered it because I like to do curls here and there. But, you know, so I had to layer it a little bit. But yeah, so that is literally as simple as it gets. You're probably wondering, what was the hot comb for? It's to get your hair flat. The secret to flat wigs is hot combs. If you do not have a hot comb, please invest in a hot comb. It's going to get your hair really flat. All right, that's it. That's pretty much it. It's so hard to tell with this camera if it caught it or not. Okay guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. This is how your hair should look when you are done. It has a lot of body. It does not shed. I'm not lying to you just because it's my hair. That's why I need ambassadors. So y'all DM me, email me, let me know, and let me see your account. And I'll be choosing some people to send some free wigs to that can, you know, do reviews for me and stuff. But yeah, this is the final product. As you can see, I only use the Tresemme heat protectant. This is how it looks. Let's do it up close so y'all can see. Up close of the hair quality. Yep. You see that? Boom. Straight, baby. All right. Like, look at that. Look at the body. Look at the movement. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to purchase this hair. I will put the link in the description box below. And of course, check out my website. I'm gonna be adding way more products this year, and you know, advertising my own work a lot more, and I need to see y'all in my wigs. So yeah, that's basically it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the support. Bye guys.